Hi everyone. In this video we'll go through how to find product of numbers using log tables. Let's solve these two problems using logarithms. Let's take this particular problem where using tables we have to find the value of this particular expression. See, you can directly take a calculator and multiply these two numbers. But here the intent is to use the log table and multiply the numbers, right? You can use the calculator and see whatever value you've got using log table is correct or not. You can verify. But we'll have to do this entire thing using log table. When you multiply these two numbers, you'll get some value, right? Let's assume that that value is x. And we need to find this value, which is x. We should first apply log on both sides. So it will be log x is equal to log of this entire thing, right? So log of this is of the form log a into log b or log m into n, right? Log m into n is log m plus log n is log m plus log n. So now this multiplication will become addition. Log of this much and log of this much we add. You find log of this separately, log of this separately, add it. So first let's find the characteristic. Here it is 0. And what is the place in which the non-zero number is there? The significant number or the non-zero number? It is in the first decimal place. It is in the first place after decimal point. So it's going to be 1. And why minus? Because it is less than 1. This number is less than 1, right? Before the decimal point, there is 0. Therefore, it will become minus 1. And this mantissa we'll get from the log table. Similarly, for this one also we'll find out, right? Now we have minus 1 here, minus 1 here. This you can write like this. 0.8646 minus 1. This is minus 1, is it not? Minus 1, 0.8646. We'll split up this one basically. We'll split it up. We'll split up this as minus 1 and this as 7505. Right? Now what we'll do, so you subtract this, you'll get this value. Subtract this, you'll get this value. So you'll get minus of this entire thing. Now as I said, this mantissa also became negative here. Because you added up this became negative. So we cannot have negative mantissa like I said. So add plus 1 because one number greater than this. One number greater than 0 is 1. Add 1, subtract 1. Right? Now from this plus 1, from plus 1 you subtract this value. From plus 1 subtract this value, you will get this one. You will get positive number 1. You will get a positive number because you are taking 1 and subtracting this. So you will get positive number and then you are left with this minus 1. So minus 1 plus this much. Now you don't, what you'll have to do, minus 1 is, you will split it up. Minus 1 is characteristic and 6151 is mantissa. So this is how we got minus 1.6151. This is log x. Now we'll have to find x, right? Here we'll have to find this x, right? Remember we applied log on both the sides and that's why we got log x. But we want only x. So to get x, we'll have to take anti-log. Because when log comes this side, it will become anti-log. You'll have to remove log from here. We want only x. So when log comes here, it will become anti-log. So x is equal to anti-log of this entire thing. Now using logarithm table, find the anti-log of this. Anti-log of 6151. We'll have to find anti-log of this fractional part, 6151. So go to 0.61, fifth column, and 1 in mean difference. You get 4121 plus 1. So you get 4122, right? Now where to put the decimal point? First put the decimal point on the first digit and then into 10 to the power, what should be the number? We had minus 1 here, is it not? So this is nothing but minus 1. So 10 to the power minus 1. Now it's one digit. So shift the decimal point by one digit, one place. So here, so it's 0.4122. So this is the value of x. Now let's find the value of this, right? We'll have to multiply this root of 3.56 into cube root of 8.634. Now use the calculator. After getting the value of x, use the calculator and see if the answer is correct. But we'll have to do everything using log values, log table. So assume that x is equal to this. Take log on both sides. So you'll get log 3.56 into this one. So you can write this root of 3.56 is to the power half, right? Remember the theory of indices, right? Root of 3.56 is to the power half. This is square root, right? So you can write this half. This is cube root. So you can write 1 by 3. This is cube root. So you can write 1 by 3. And then using that property, you put this as half into log of 3.56. Log m log n property, right? M to the power n is equal to m log n. So half into log of 3.56 plus 1 by 3 into log of 8.634 using this particular property. Now Let's calculate the log values. How do we find log of 3.56? So, what is the number of digits here? Number of digits before the decimal point is 1. Therefore, characteristic is 1 minus 1, which is 0. So, it is 0 point. Now, we'll take 35 and 6. 35 and 6 here. 35, 6th column, we get 5514. So, 5514. Now, 8.634. Characteristic is 0 because it's 1 digit here. Then 8634. We'll go to 86, third column, fourth mean difference. So, you get 9360. 9360 plus 3. So 9363. 9363. Okay. Now you multiply with half, you will get these values. Add it up, you will get this value, right? Now you have log x value. We just want x value. To find x value, take anti-log of this one. Anti-log of this one. So you take 5878 from anti-log table. 5878. 5878. 58.58. 7th column. 8th mean difference. You get 3864. 3864 plus 7. 3871. So we get 3871. 3871. Where to put the decimal point? After the first digit into 10 to the power what? Here the number is 0. So 10 to the power 0, which is nothing but 1. So it's going to be 3.871 itself. So basically x is equal to 3.871. With this, we have come to the end of this particular topic. If you found this video useful, do press a like and share it. Thank you.